Hello, I'm Fiona from ShiFio Patterns, and today I'm going to show you how to make a treble crochet. When you're reading patterns, the treble crochet is abbreviated as TR. I've already made a row of chains, then a row of double crochets on top, and I will show you how to make the trebles onto this. We have a video to show you how to make the chains and double crochets on our channel. The links are below. Okay, so at the start of a treble row or round, we make 3 chains. Now this will act as a treble, so you don't put a treble into the stitch above that one. So yarn over hook, insert hook into the next stitch, then you do yarn over hook again. You twist it to catch it and pull it through. You've got 3 loops on your hook now. Yarn over hook, twist to catch and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over hook, twist to catch and pull through 2 loops, and that's your treble made. So we'll do it again. Yarn over hook, hook through the next stitch, yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over hook, hook into the next stitch, yarn over hook and pull through, yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. So this is me doing it now at the normal speed. The front of the stitches are lovely and flat, and then the back of the trebles are quite bumpy, as you can see here. And there's the front again for you to have a look at. Nice and smooth. We do have an alternative version of the 3 chain at the start of a treble row on our YouTube channel. It's called the Invisible 3 chain, so you might want to have a look at that as well. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video and that it's helped you to show you how to make a treble crochet. If you've liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and if not, that's okay. Thank you for watching.